Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this high afro ponytail. And if this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the red button below this video to subscribe, and thank you so much. So this is a simple hairstyle that I normally do on my hair when I don't know what hairstyle to do on my head. I normally end up doing this style. This is like my go-to. I did this hairstyle under 5 minutes. It's really easy to do, and if you want to know how I achieved this hair, please keep on watching this video, and after watching please give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much, and let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of water and spray it all over my hair. Next, I'm going to use my black castor gel and use this to lay it down a little bit. I'm going to take this amount and apply it all over my hair. Then I'm going to use this band to hold it and put it into a bun. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the bun, which is the wig that I'm going to apply on top of this hair. This is how the wig looks like. I got this wig in a local beauty store here in Moscow. It's really affordable wig. It's like afro wig, but it's synthetic hair. It's not human hair. It's really affordable. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on top of this hair. I'm not going to take it all the way to the front. I'm going to place it like this, like that. Then I'm going to take the clip, use it to hold it. Just going to go ahead and style it a little bit, and we are going to be done with. So guys, this is all for this video, and this is how I normally do my afro ponytail. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.